This is a demonstration on how to use SuperEasyJig to install handles on cabinet doors. For this video, we will use SuperEasyJig 128. Also, holes have already been drilled into the drawer. We will be going over them for the purpose of this demonstration. SuperEasyJig comes in two sizes, SuperEasyJig 320 and SuperEasyJig 128. SuperEasyJig 320 comes in a protected case durable for any conditions. First, align the handle holes to the SuperEasyJig holes and mark with a pencil. This is where we will drill the holes in the final step. Next, determine where you would like your handles to be on the cabinet door and mark it with a pencil. This does not have to be precisely centered. Use a ruler and lightly mark the center. Extend a horizontal line across the cabinet. Then draw a vertical line across. These are the only marks you will make. The top right and bottom left cabinet doors will have the same settings. For the top left and bottom right cabinet doors, you will have to make a simple adjustment. You may prefer to use blue tape where you draw the lines. It makes removing the lines easier rather than erasing the lines after the installation. Next, attach the top piece, which also comes in white, to the cabinet door. Take the largest thumb screw and put it in the lower hole. Do not tighten all the way. To set this piece, put the back side with the letter A on the inside of the door and the side with the line on the front of the door. Tighten the thumb screw. It does not matter where you position this piece for right now. Next, use the medium thumb screw to attach the white plate. Do not tighten all the way. Make sure the vertical line you marked earlier is cutting across the center of the holes. Once this setting is aligned, tighten the thumb screws properly. To align the SuperEasyJig with the horizontal line, carefully hold the EasyJig and loosen the large thumb screw. Move the EasyJig until it aligns perfectly with the horizontal line. Make sure both vertical and horizontal lines are aligned. Adjust if needed. These settings are extremely important, therefore take your time to set it properly. Next, take the L plate and attach it to the SuperEasyJig using the smallest thumb screws. Make sure the small part of the L is touching the top part of the cabinet. Tighten thumb screws. Use a pencil to mark the desired holes for your handle. Remember, never drill directly through the plate. This could ruin the SuperEasyJig. Once marked, remove the EasyJig from the door by loosening the large thumb screw and drill holes at the marked location. Repeat this for all bottom left side cabinet doors. Once finished, flip the SuperEasyJig over without any setting change and complete the top right side cabinet doors. To adjust the EasyJig to fit the bottom right cabinet doors and top left cabinet doors, draw lines on the L plate that align with the edges of the top part to where the L plate meets. Then unscrew small thumb screws and remove the L plate. Rotate it 180 degrees. Align the marked lines on the top L plate with the edge of the top piece and tighten the screws. The EasyJig is now set for the bottom right and top left cabinets. For more information on the SuperEasyJig, go to www.pulshandles.com/SuperEasyJig320.